Welcome to part 2 of this Sony Ericsson K850i. Well, I don't know if to say refurbish. I'm not gonna change the body shell. I only have the new display. Where did I put it? Oh yeah, right here. I cleaned the parts as good as I can. Had a lot of rust. Well, I will try to reassemble it. I've disassembled a bit more than I can chew. Oh, I hope I can put it back together. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, I said yeah, it should work. Come on now. Now it's getting into place. Yes. Well, not exactly perfect, but it should do the job. Until I find the replacement body shell, which I don't know when that will be, but whatever. Well, I don't exactly remember. Yeah, let's put this here for now. Now to put the cap back together. So I could clean it somewhat. Wasn't exactly easy to pull out, and it isn't easy to put back in. Ouch. Well, at least it's in. Yes, it's in. Well, then I need to put this here. Okay. Where's that small, cute camera? Here it is. Yes, something like this. There we go. So I'll put this into place. Yes. Should I put the other parts now? Honestly, I don't know what to think because, this is clearly something comes here. Oh yeah, the camera comes here, right? Right. This little cover. Which was also rusty. I had to clean it. Now this. I think I should have put this before inserting the motherboard here, but I don't see that's much of a problem. Oh, dang it. I think I have to take the motherboard off again. Yeah. Yeah. Shouldn't be that hard. Just have to pull it out of here. Like so. Yeah, in case you having the same problem as I am, here's where the washers go in this thick motherboard. And this thick motherboard. Kinda. Yeah. place? Yes. Now it's in place. Is the camera in place? Yes, it's in place. Am I in the right place? No, I'm not. I should be in an asylum. Just kidding. Is it this part? But how was? Oh yeah. It's correctly put. Yeah, this is the way. It has the form here for it to go in. Oh, I just remembered. I almost forgot to put this back. Good thing I saw it. Well, I'm doing a lot of lefties on this phone because, well, I'm not. This is the first one I ever did. But I'm not scared of it. At first I was, but now I'm not scared of it anymore. Wait. There were two. Let me watch the screws before I do something stupid. Those rusty screws are definitely from the back. This door, it's with these tiny screws. Yeah. Oh, the rusty screws are in this thing. There are two big screws. They must be from up there, yes. And these two are from the camera. Okay. Everything's starting to be in place. Come on. Oh, I felt that. Oh my god. Come on. Just please get in here. Be good to me. Come on. Come on. Okay, wait. Yes. It was a pain to clean this. Okay, calm down. I'm in my happy place. There we go. Oh, nice. Baby. Don't you dare. Yes. Yes. Hmm. Anything left to be put? Nope, just the keyboard. All right. I said this phone had touchscreen, but I think it's just these three sensors. Yeah, well now when I'm putting it back together, it looks more logical. I've never torn down a Sony Ericsson K850i phone. There are these two screws. One comes here and the other here. See? These two screws. Now it's less wobbly. Cable back in place. Now repeating the same procedure. Yeah, this. Come on. Okay, now to put this in place. I must align also this button here, the selector or whatnot. I never had a Sony Ericsson this complex in my life, and it's kind of thrilling, except for the assembling part. Oh, okay, it just slides here. It's just slides into place and stays there. Now the volume buttons as well.